On behalf of the Fiji government, I extend a very warm welcome and Bula Vinaka to our special guests that are present at this auspicious occasion. Today, we will be witnessing a remarkable event on the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between Fiji and PNG on the hosting of the 5th Pacific Tuna Forum here in Fiji. The signing of today's MOU is a significant moment for Fiji because it demonstrates that Fiji is willing to host such huge forums for the Pacific. The Memorandum of Understanding will ensure the successful hosting of the Pacific Tuna Forum with arrangements, preparation, and actual implementation collaboratively undertaken between Papua New Guinea through the National Fisheries Authority and the Government of Fiji through the Ministry of Fisheries and Forest. It is envisaged that having the Pacific Tuna Forum in Fiji will enable participants from other Pacific islands to holistically appreciate the opportunities and challenges in tuna management, investment, and trade in the region. The Pacific Tuna Forum is the first ever event for Fiji, and to have this in our own country will be an opportunity to compromise the management and development of our Pacific tuna resources. I'm glad to say that preparation for the Pacific Tuna Forum have already commenced, and I acknowledge everyone that have participated towards the preparatory work for this forum. We hope that our partnership will be a very successful one and that it will fulfill the desired outcome, which is the successful hosting of this biennial forum. I once again congratulate and extend my sincere appreciation to all parties concerned, both PNG and Fiji, for their commitment and hard work in ensuring that the MOU materialize today. My heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Mayor Zeming and members of his delegation for their commitment and traveling to Fiji to grace the signing of our MOU today. And we look forward to similar partnership in other fisheries-related areas. With these few words, I wish you all the best in the signing of the MOU, and we look forward to the successful hosting of the Pacific Tuna Forum. Thank you, and Vinaka Boli.
Naka, can you give a big round of applause to our Minister for Fisheries and Forest? I now call upon the PNG Minister for Fisheries and Marine Resources to deliver his remarks. Honorable Mr. Mayor Zeming.
I am pleased to be here today in Fiji to sign the MOU between the Government of Papua New Guinea through the National Fisheries Authority and the Government of the Republic of Fiji through the Ministry of Fisheries and Forest. This MOU will guide the inputs of the fisheries organization of both countries when we co-host the 5th Pacific Tuna Forum on the 22nd and 23rd September 2015 here in Fiji. I acknowledge and thank the government of Fiji for its support in co-hosting the important forum. The Pacific Tuna Forum is an initiative of the PNG government through the National Fisheries Authority. Over the years, since 1980, the InfoFish, an intergovernmental organization that PNG is a member, usually hosts the World Tuna Congress every 2 years in Bangkok. At the World Tuna Congress, PNG and the rest of the Pacific Island countries were mere spectators, as emphasis was given to the leading tuna processing countries in Asia and in Europe. In 2006, at one of the World Tuna Congress meetings, PNG informed the meeting that almost 50% of the world tuna catches were within the Western and the Central Pacific region. As such, the Pacific Island nations needed to be given the prominence it deserves. Around this time, the parties in Nauru Agreement began also to consolidate its position as a powerful grouping in the tuna fisheries management. The InfoFish Governing Council in December 2006, deliberated to the need for a Pacific Tuna Forum and resolved that PNG take lead in organizing the forum and coordinating with InfoFish Secretariat. So began the series of biannual Pacific Tuna Forum in 2007. In 2007 and 2009, we had those two meetings in Port Moresby in PNG, and in 2011, we had a third meeting in Pala. In 2013, the fourth meeting was in Solomon Islands, and at that meeting, the delegates from Fiji requested that Fiji be given this opportunity to host the meeting. That is why we're here today. The conference focuses on the tuna management issues in the Pacific region, markets and marketing opportunities for the tuna products, international trade and trade barriers, research and development of new tuna products, and prospects for the tuna industry in the region, among others. This forum is important to the Pacific Island states. Our country is the co-host, and we have managed to secure 1 million kina in PNG to help the Fiji government to co-host this meeting in September. Honorable Minister, I take this opportunity in appreciating and acknowledging the support and cooperation of the government of Fiji in co-hosting this forum in September of this year. While we are signing this MOU today, I understand cooperation and collaboration between the two respective agencies from Fiji and from Papua New Guinea are taking place. I am confident that our countries, through our two fisheries organizations, will work together to deliver an excellent 5th Pacific Tuna Forum in September. Thank you all for listening.
Minister for Fisheries and Forests to present the gift to the PNG Minister.